Hello everyone, this is Code Zealot and welcome back to this tutorial series on commands in Minecraft. Today we're going to be looking at the give command and also learning about target selector variables. It may sound a little complicated, but it's really not that bad. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to show you guys today is that you don't have to try and remember exactly how to type every single command that we're learning in this tutorial series. What I mean is all you have to do is type / and then the name of the command you want to type out, and Minecraft will tell you exactly how to type out that command. Now this also makes it much easier to learn new commands because we can see exactly what parts of the command we need. So here we can see that the give command needs a player and an item. Now there are also these other parts, and as you can see they're in different types of brackets, indicating that they're not necessary for the command to be run. They're only supplementary to the command. They can add things to the give command, but we don't need them. Now, we're going to use these in a later tutorial because these are more complicated. So for now, don't worry about these ones in the brackets. We're only going to look at these ones right here, player and item. Okay, so now we're going to learn about the target selector variables that were mentioned earlier. And as I said then, it sounds complicated, but don't worry, it's really not that bad. As you can see, I have them displayed on the screen right now to make things a little bit easier as we're learning them. There are 4 different ones that we're going to look at, but in this video, let's keep it simple and let's just look at the first one, which is @p for the closest player. So we're going to use this in the player slot of our command. So instead of typing out our name as in our username, we're going to go ahead and use that target variable right there. So here we go. Let's do / give, and then the closest player selector. Now, as you can guess, this is going to select the closest player, and since I'm the one using the command, I'm the one who's naturally closest to the command that's being issued. So that's the same thing as typing out give and then Code Zealot. Now, you might be wondering how I made my username pop up so quickly, and all I did to do that is when you type out the first few letters of something and press tab, Minecraft will automatically complete it for you. So that's just a trick on how you can type out your commands a little bit faster. So let's go ahead and erase that, and we're going to use the target selector for the closest player, which we said earlier was @p. There we go. So we've now filled out this little section of the command, the player section. And now we're going to move on to the next section, which is the name of the item we want. So let's press space, and let's go ahead and give ourselves a bed. So we can either type out the number for that item, which I don't have memorized, but it could be something like this, but it's a lot easier if we go ahead and just type out the name of that item. So let's go ahead and type bed. And we can press enter, and there you have it. You've used your very first give command in Minecraft. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope this video on the give command has been helpful. And also, I hope it served as a good introduction to the various target selectors that are in the game. Don't worry about trying to figure those all out right now. We're going to get plenty of practice using them in the future videos. And we'll actually use one in the very next video, which is on the teleport command. I'll see you all in that tutorial.